guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family, and I'd like to say thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch, so thank you for coming back and support me. So today's video, get excited, this video is super cute. I am in love. So today's video we're going to be checking out these cute little, I think that's the name of the brand, Chongker. I'm not sure if that's how to pronounce, but so this brand make realistic kitty backpack. Look how gorgeous this kitty is. I am so in love, and I'm like fighting with my dog because he likes cat. So when he saw me take out the box, he thought it was a real cat. He come trying to sniff and I didn't let him. Look how gorgeous this is. This is the kitty backpack that you can use as a gift, you know, for a loved one or elderly person who loves kitty, but you know, if they are in a nursing home or if they're home and they cannot take care of a kitty. So this looks just like a kitty. Look at these cutie little paws. Oh my god, she's adorable. So we have to name her. You guys let me know in the comment below what name can we give to this cutie. This is so gorgeous. So this is like a kitty backpack. So you have the strap here, super soft, super nice. And here in the back you have the zipper. You have a good size space here. If you go out with this backpack, people's gonna think that's the real cat because it's so pretty. She's gorgeous. Look at this. I love because you know I like cat, but I cannot have one because my husband is allergic. So this is super cute. Oh, look at this. Look how gorgeous she is. Super soft, super realistic, and these also would be nice for small kids, you know, if you don't have a cat and they would like to have one but they can't have, they're allergic, you could definitely give this as a gift too. So this is a birthday gift, any kind of special occasion gift. This is definitely a go-to. Holidays, Valentine's Day, this would be a cute Valentine's Day gift too. I'm going to tag them on the description of this video if you guys decided to give them a try. But look how gorgeous she is. Look at this beautiful fluffy tail. Oh my god, she looks just like a real kitty. Look at this. When you see these pink little paws, super adorable. All right, so here is the box that she came in, and I want to show you guys what else you get in the box. That she comes with this little, it's like a little decoration for her, like a little necklace. Let me take it out of the bag and put on her so she can look adorable like she is. I don't know why I keep calling her her. I think you can make her her or he, but look how adorable. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this kitty. Look how beautiful this is with the pearl there. Let me just bring it close by so you guys can see her details. How gorgeous she is. If you love cats, this is definitely a cute backpack to have. Very pretty. And you can also, if you want to, just take off the straps. They can take off down here, here, and up here. So in the box, you come this little card here, talking a little bit about the kitty and what they're good for. A little card and a little grooming comb for you to groom your kitty. Here, where you can groom her. That's so cute. So before I take the strap off, I'll show you just her as a kitty. Oh, look how beautiful she is. Look how cute she is. Oh my god. So I'm going to show you guys how she look as a backpack. Like that, and show her off because everybody's gonna be like, oh, so pretty. My dog is crazy to trying to play with her, but no, you ain't gonna play with me. Play with me. How pretty she is. She is gorgeous. Or you can put her in the back like that. So that's the cute chonkers. Alright, so you guys let me know down comment below if you ever see a backpack so cute like this one. And I'm gonna tag the Amazon store here where you can find this cutie. Alright, because she is really gorgeous, and they do have her all in white too, or a different white color. I just like the black white because it look like Michi, my daughter's cat, so that's why I liked her this color. but she's gorgeous. So let me remove this strap really quick to show you guys her without the straps. Alright, so this is her without the strap on it. So just the kitty, and she's super fluffy, super beautiful, very pretty. I'm really loving her. What you guys think? Look how cute, look how pretty I am, look how beautiful I am, look how beautiful. Super pretty, very nice, very gorgeous gift. So I am loving these and so pretty. So super beautiful, very well made. I highly recommend. Super fluffy, super soft. So I'm gonna tag them here if you guys decide to give them a try. All right, so let me know down in the comment below if ever saw it. Look, so beautiful like this one. This is the cutest backpack I ever see. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I see you guys next video, and don't forget to check them out on the description of this video. The link for them and the Amazon store is going to be there where you can find this cutie. Oh, love them. Bye.